Good morning guys. This is our situation here in the shop guys. We have so many customers. But this is almost all finished guys. There are only two left to be job to be done. There are only two vehicles left. Guys. So let's drive this truck. Ah. Driving this truck guys. So that we can file the vehicle properly and we can start a new job. So let's warm up first for a few seconds or minutes before we proceed to drive this Isuzu Travis. Down the power handle, down the handle the handbrake guys. Shift to rear. And let's drive. That's all guys, and thank you. Turn off the engine now.